Welcome back, Franky D here, and if I'm gonna be back at making videos again, better start off with a banger. But might need some help from some friends, so let me just make a quick call.
Good evening, Dungeon Masters. I'm Baron Tarrasque. Far and away, the most common selection of a D&D player's race and class is the human fighter. Oh, hold on, just 1 second. Dodsgear Estate, this is the Baron speaking.
Hey yo Ryan, it's your boy, Franky.
Hey, Franky D, what's up?
I'm planning on building a Tarrasque, but I want to make it a little bit more interesting. I mean, how does D&D manage to make Godzilla boring? I don't know, you got any ideas?
Ideas? I mean, I've got opinions. Have you talked to Knarb about this at all?
Oh, you mean my boy Knarb?
What? No, hold on. Let me add him to the call.
Yeah. Put him on, call him.
Hello?
Hey, what's up? It's Baron Tarrasque. I've got Franky D on the phone, too.
Yeah.
Oh, hey guys. How's it going?
Hey, so Franky just called me to see if I had any opinions on the Tarrasque. But, tell you what, I figure we can turn this dumb sack of hit points into something that's actually really fun. How about you both craft one and I'll come up with some stat blocks and solutions or something? That sound good?
A Tarrasque. Okay. Yeah, I'll give that a shot.
Ooh, alright.
Cool. See you guys later.
Hello?
Now, just listen to me for a minute. I know I just compared the Tarrasque to Godzilla not too long ago. But you know what else it reminds me of? Yeah, I know you saw it in the thumbnail. I'm gonna make a Bowser fusion for this. I'm just gonna show you because this is too heat. This is too heat, man. This is just crazy. Alright. Blah. Let's get to the video. Let's do this. Let's start off by gathering some material. Now, Baron was nice enough to send me a Tarrasque miniature. We won't let him down. We are gonna be modifying this like crazy though. Also, I lost the arm, so we're gonna have to sculpt that. Yeah, we're gonna sculpt that. Just to show you, I could have sculpted the whole thing from scratch, but chose not to. And it had nothing to do with the fact that this process was easier. Now that we cleared the air, let's get going. I chose the Bowser from Super Mario World because that's the best Bowser. Okay, maybe not, but it's got a helicopter. Come on, man. The clown copter? Are you kidding me? Watch this video. If you didn't like that copter before this video, you're gonna love it. Let's go.
Okay.
And this is just how my brain works sometimes. I decided to do this just on the rule of cool. And the rest, well, we can make sense of that as we get around to it. Sculptamild is one of my favorite materials, but if you follow the channel, you will notice that I mainly use it because of its texture, its strength, or how relatively light it is. This is the first time I'll actually be using it for the fact that you can sand it and make it pretty smooth. That worked for the main part a little bit, sort of. I just didn't have enough patience, and I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna put air dry clay to smooth out the rest. Yay! It came out good. It came out good. While that dries, I start to work on my man's Bowser. I'm using Apoxy sculpt on this. It's just easier to work with than green stuff. There goes that sponsorship. Working on the hair was probably my second favorite thing about this whole build. I honestly didn't think it was gonna come out this good. As soon as the copter dried, I glued on the tail.
Let's do it.
For most of this project, I'm using Gorilla Glue adhesive. So far, I haven't come across anything that this thing doesn't work on, so I'm probably gonna keep using it on future projects. The copter can't just be the regular copter. I had to change the original design. I know, how dare I change a classic. But listen to me, I'll get you on my side, hopefully, by the end of this. If you ever played the game, you know there's a point on the boss battle where the clown copter just gets mad and starts to slam itself, trying to flatten Luigi, brother. Just think, how am I supposed to believe the propellers, or whatever they're called, how am I supposed to believe that they still work after that? Look, I know we can all agree that Super Mario World still to this day is probably one of the most realistic games of all time.
Yep, absolutely.
I know. But that right there is where they lost me. If I gotta change and fix up a classic, I gotta fix a classic. This is what I gotta do. You know what I'm saying? Also, I added some skulls, bro. Skulls, bro! Why? Because Bowser is metal as... What? Copper, what are you saying? My nephew's watching this? Oh yeah. Alright. Yeah. Let's keep it clean then. Bowser's pretty metal though, check this out. Huh? Oh yeah, so Bowser is missing an arm. So let's fix that. Let me just say that I will never paint anything again without base coating it with some Mod Podge mix. I'm so sorry, Knarb, I'm sorry. Just gotta say it. It's just that this is the second time painting it because the primer reacted to the plastic in a weird way and the paint was rubbing off of it. Copper, you got some pictures of this? Yeah? And put them up on the video, bro. They gotta see this. It's crazy. This was crazy. Thanks to my patrons, I was able to keep on track. Or as they put it, no use crying over spilled milk. Little did they know me, I would cry over milk if it's spilled. Anyways, I think they said it in German actually. And I'm not about to say it, I'm already butchering the English language. I'm not about to butcher another language on screen. And now we get to my favorite part of this whole thing. I was faced with a challenge. I knew I could make Bowser realistic, scary, and in some weird way, I could make him fit into my D&D world. But the copter was something else. That's where my brain said, shh. If you were your 9-year-old self, and you were seeing this thing for the first time, you knew it would blow your mind. Just make your 9-year-old self proud. And then something clicked. I can make whatever I want, as long as I don't let my 9-year-old self down. Or copper. If you're a fan of the channel, you know that I love to revisit my childhood through my art. And this project was just another excuse to do just that. If it wasn't for these games, I wouldn't be making art. And that's a fact. Super Mario's timeless. I know that because I have a nephew that loves it just as much as I did when I was 9. It's like watching a miniature version of myself, or looking through a time machine. And it reminds me why I do this, and why I'm still doing this, or why I'm trying to do this. You get it. At this point, if you haven't liked the video, I don't know what to tell you. But like the video. And if that's not your thing, you should subscribe and watch me make more dumb stuff. And like the video. Also, don't forget to check out my boy Knarb and Baron on their channel and see how they did. And like their video. The links are in the description below. And for real, check them out though, because it's just different content. It's good content, man. It's good content. Just check it out. Let's also thank the sponsor for today's video. Ray. Wait. Copper, wait. What do you mean we couldn't get the sponsorship? We're not sellouts? You see what I'm crafting, bro? We're not sell out. You right. We gotta do this, right. Nah, but for real, thank the patrons. Without them, none of this would be possible. If you'd like to support the channel, check it out. Best tier, favorite. I know I made it, but it's just my favorite. Is the Discord tier. You get direct access to me. You get to see the project as it's being worked on. The WIP. Get out of here, fly. Bam. Not only will you have direct access to me, but you'll get to interact with already amazing crafters, already amazing people, and not necessarily crafters, although I think just about everybody. Yeah, they all craft. Yeah. You also get to make decisions while I'm working on projects, like this blood splatter. Thanks a lot, guys. I'm gonna have fun explaining that one to my 5-year-old nephew and where that splatter came from. But for real, the patrons, it's a lot of fun. It's one of the best things that came out of me starting up this channel. So don't forget to check it out. If you're not checking it out, you're missing out. Alright guys, let's wrap this up by saying, hit that like button. But if you already hit it, don't hit it again. 1 is okay. 3 is fine. 3, you can hit it 3 times. It's fine. But 2 is a no-no. 2 is a no-no. Can. Too many. Thank you so much again for everything. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.
Hello? 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 Hello?